Welcome back to Basic Maths. In an earlier lesson, we solved a sum using BODMAS rule. Today also we are going to continue with another same order of operation. This is the sum. Let's begin. First we have to apply BODMAS. Then we have to go step by step. This is the first step. B brackets, then 15 take away 3, that is 12. We'll write the sum as it is. Brackets, 15 take away 3, 12, divide by 4, add 2 to the power 3, into multiply by 6, subtract 5. That is the first step. Then the second step is order. Order means 2 to the power 3. Then 12 divide by 4 plus 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Multiply by 6, subtract 4. That is the second step. Third step is D, division. 12 divided by 4, that is 3 plus 8, multiply by 6 minus 5, that is D. Then we move to the next step as fourth step, M, multiplication. 3, add 8 into 6 is 48, subtract 5. That is the fourth step. Next step is additions. 3 add 48, that is 51, subtraction 5. Last step is subtraction. 51 take away 5, that is the last step, that is 46. That is the answer for this sum. Always work step by step. Division, multiplication are done left to the right, and also addition, subtractions also left to the right. So, BODMAS made easy to solve steps. Have to follow step by step solution. Then maths made simple and can solve fast. We'll meet in another video like this.